In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a Stages Cloud user profile in the Stages Studio Plus app. On your mobile device, download the Stages Studio Plus app from your preferred app store. After opening the app, you will be asked to log in or register. Select Register. Fill in the appropriate information and select Create Account. You will now be asked to verify your email address. Open your preferred email client, find the email from Stages Studio, click on Confirm Email, and you should be ready to go. There is a chance that the email will be sent to your junk folder, so if you cannot find it, look for it there. You'll now be taken back to the app where you can log in with your email address and password. On your first login, you'll be asked to accept or decline User Analytics, and to add any locations that you're associated with. Click the back arrow on the upper left and you'll be taken to the Stages Studio Plus homepage. On the upper left-hand side of the screen, tap on the circle with your initials. On the next page, tap on the Settings cog on the upper right-hand side of the page. Now you'll be taken to some additional user profile settings. General allows you to choose between metric or imperial units. Account allows you to edit your name, email address, phone number, change your password, and select your country of origin. Profile lets you choose a profile picture, create a display name that will be shown in your gauge on the screen, enter your year of birth to be used to create heart rate training zones, specify a gender and a body weight. Locations allows you to associate yourself with specific Stages Studio locations. This is needed for bike booking as well as if you plan to ride to virtual content. Heart rate allows you to associate your personal heart rate monitor with the Stages Studio system. Power is where your current FTP is saved. If you know your FTP, you can manually enter it in the FTP field and turn off automatic updates of FTP to lock it so that your current and tested FTP is used in every single class. Privacy is where you have the option to hide or show your place on our public or in-studio class leaderboards. Notifications is where you let Stages know if you would like to receive your workout summary emails. Integrations is where you can connect your Strava or Training Peaks account with your Stages Studio results. If the Stages Studio Plus app is not acting properly, it's always a good idea to log out and log back in. Enjoy your ride.